Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of the Reach Show. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you. I really do. Okay, so I know this is a whole total different setup right here. You're not used to seeing, all right? And I understand that, but I need to, this is a different type of video today, okay? So now, if you go to my homepage, you will see that on my channel, I don't only do nails. I do DIYs, I do hauls, I do reviews, and ETC. You will see that ETC abbreviation, and that means etc. So you will get so on and so forth on my channel. You may get a little cooking, you may get a little dancing, you know what I'm saying? You may get a little of that thing, you know. I may start singing for you, I don't know, but check it out. This video right here is a review. So if you're into reviews, stick on with a sister. If you're not, I'm gonna have to ask you to hit it on to the left, and I'll catch you on the next video. I quite understand. I understand, you know, I'm not upset behind them. But check it out. So now I just felt like I needed to do this is a review. Like I said, I need to get this video up and out because one, I just got in the house and I'm tired. I'm really tired. Me and Paw took the game babies skating, and now we in and I'm just tired. And I need to go and get this review on up out of here so I get out my clothes, take me a shower, and chillax. Okay, so just work with me here. Give me a minute. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do this review on. Now, the reason I'm in my den, I could have took you guys upstairs to our bedroom, but you know, that's me in that man's room, so I can't take y'all up there. That's our domain. Okay, and I also could have took y'all back here to the guest bedroom, but I'm not gonna take you back there either, because like I said, I had my gang-gangs over early, honey, and they tore that little guest room up. I got to go back there and clean and do all kind of stuff back there, so that cannot happen. So I just said, well, I just come on in here, my den. Anyway, y'all, we in my den, okay? So let me just go and do this here little review for y'all. So this is what I'm going to be reviewing today. Normally, I don't just accept anything from any companies, and not unless I can utilize it. Now, if I can use it, I'm going to take it, you know, do a review on it, okay? So now I'm going to turn it around and show y'all what I'm about to do a review on, okay? Here you go. Bam! Okay? Yeah, see? Check it out. This here is a Homever Gourmet Steamer. I said gourmet. Child, what's gourmet? Garment. Garment, girl. It's a garment steamer. All right, so now this little thing is so cute and compact, and I'm gonna show it to you because I already took it out the box for video purpose. Anybody got time to be on this camera all day? I told y'all I just got in, I'm tired, I'm ready to take my shower, I'm ready to lay down, I'm ready to chillax. Anyway, check it out. I'm gonna get this review on out the way. Now here you go right here. The cute little thing, right? I saw this is just too adorable. Now I had one of these things before, but I had the kind that stands up on the pole, and I bought it from what's the name of that store? As Seen on TV. We was at a mall one day. You know they got them As Seen on TVs. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So they had a whole bunch of stuff As Seen on TV in there. So I seen one of these here, but it was on a pole, like I said, with the little holes, and they hang up, and then you could take it down. You could, you know, do all that with your steamer or whatever. So, but y'all had the thing for like 6 months and it broke on me. So when I got the opportunity to do a review on this one, I said, well, sure, why not? Because it's so cute now and it's compact. And guess what? Guess what? Great for traveling, okay? So I said, yes, because as soon as I get up out of here, it's going with me. Trust and believe, it's going with me. But anywho, this is the little thing here, right? So cute, so small. This is the jar 7. This is the little nozzle thing here. Now it has a warning label on here, says do not touch. Okay, so now what's going to happen is I'm going to go fill this sucker up with some water, and I'm going to come right back, okay? All right, here you go, right here, filled up with some water in it. Right now, I don't have too much of water in here because I don't want to use that much. I don't want to use that much water in here. Now, I got a couple of blouses over here, and I'm going to demonstrate how this thing work, okay? So this here is the nozzle itself. You got to take it. You got to put it on like this here. So that's what you have to do. You have to make sure it's on there sturdy and locked real good, okay? So now the cord is fairly long, and now the water they recommend you use is cold water. They want you to use cold water in here, okay? So this is the cord. Now keep in mind, whenever you messing around with anything that have a cord, keep this clean away from water, baby, because I don't know if you don't know, but electricity and water do not mix. Now I'm not going to tell you go ahead and try, because I don't want you to clock out on me or nothing like that. But just please keep in mind, just keep this here clean away from keep it away from the water. Just keep it, see, it's long enough to stay away from the water. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and plug it up and show y'all how this thing works. Like I said, I got 2 blouses over here, and I'm gonna demonstrate on them right now. Hold on. Okay, so this is one of the blouses right here. So what I'm gonna do is chime tag. Okay, so this one of the blouses right here. Now, the reason I say I have 2 blouses is because I was going to use this other blouse over here, but I'm going to show y'all why I'm not going to use that blouse. But I want to start off with this blouse here because I really want to do a test run on the thing, but I already tested it, so yeah. But anyway, I had to have something to test it out on because, honey, if I try to burn up a shirt on camera, that'd be so embarrassing, right? Anyway, that wasn't even funny. I'm just as corny as a box of flakes, ain't it, child? Anyway, look, check it out. This is how you turn it on. You hit that right there. Pow, boom, bam, pow. See, it's on. Check it out. Now, I got some water in there, okay? But I'm gonna wait till this here thing steam up. It take a little minute, but the water gonna start boiling in here in a minute. Hold on. Yeah, you hear it? You hear that? Yeah, you hear it. Ooh, look at it. Now check it out. I'm gonna let you see the steam. Wait a minute, hold on. It ain't steaming yet. See the boiling? Wait, hold on. Is it boiling yet? Oh yeah, it's boiling. See it boiling? Y'all see it boiling? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, when I first did it, I was scared. Ooh. Look at the steam. See the steam? Okay. Okay, what you do is you take your little garment and you go up and down it like that. Keep your hand clean away from this steamer, because it will burn you, honey. Okay? Go up and down it like that. And you press it. And you press it. Now, I was going to demonstrate on this blouse here, but I changed my mind. And the reason I changed my mind is because this here around the collar, this here is like patent leather, pleather, whatever you want to call it. Whether you have pleather, plastic, patent leather, or real leather, you don't want to put that steamer nowhere near this type of material because it will melt. And not only do it have it on the collar, it has it on the sleeve. So I didn't want to take a chance and trying to do this here and that steam hit my collar and I'd be real upset behind that. So that's not going to happen. Okay, so now, if you, like I say, keep in mind, you cannot go nowhere near this type of material. It comes just like this. It also comes with like a thank you card, and it comes with a manual right here, okay? Let you know how to work this thing, but it don't take a rocket science to figure it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave all the information to this here down in the description bar, so you go over there and you check it out. If you don't like this here for yourself, it'll be a great gift for the holiday, being that the holidays are right around the corner. Okay, so now y'all, that's my time. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you for tuning in and watching another episode of the Reese Show. And I'm going to get back with y'all in a minute because I got a whole nother other video to do. All right, y'all? Okay, on that note, it is what it is. All right, in a minute.